welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about making soft link shortcuts. A soft link is a shortcut. It is a file that points to another file, much like a shortcut in Windows. Note that soft links do not contain data in the target file. It only points to the original file on the system. Okay, so first I'll display the contents that I have here. I will type ls and enter. Now I would like to make a soft link for this file over here, torque.txt. But first let's display its contents. I will type cat and then torque.txt and enter. Alright, now to make a soft link for the file, I will type the command ln and then -s. And then I will type the path for the file that I want to make the soft link for. I'll type /root and then /torque.txt. So over here the file torque.txt is the file that I want to make a soft link for. And then I will type the destination that I want the soft link to be saved in. So I'll type /root, and for example I will choose the directory desktop/desktop, and then the name of the soft link after it's saved. I will type, for example, torque and then -shortcut and then enter. Before I press enter, by this command I'm telling the terminal that I want to make a soft link or a shortcut for the file torque.txt that is located under /root, and place this shortcut or this soft link in the directory desktop, which is also under /root, and I'll press enter. And as you can see, the file has appeared over here, torque-shortcut, and there's a small arrow sign as you can see over here. If you press here on this link, it will take you to the original file, which is torque.txt. As you can see over here, it has opened for me the file torque.txt. Okay, now I'll change the directory. I'll get to the desktop directory and I'll type ls-l. Okay, as you can see over here, the file is in blue color words stating torque-shortcut, and this bigger than sign and the dash is pointing at the file that this shortcut is from, which is torque.txt, that is located under /root. You can display information about the shortcut by the command stat. So you will type stat and then type torque-shortcut, or the name of the file that you have the soft link for, the name of the soft link itself, and then press enter. And you can see it has shown me some details. Over here it's telling me that it is a shortcut, and here you can see the word symbolic link, and here are some other informations about the soft link. Right now I'll clear the page and I'll get to the home directory of the user root by the command cd and ls. Alright, now this time I'll make a soft link for a directory. For example, here the public directory, and place the soft link in the desktop directory. So I'll type the command ln -s and then /root/public, and then I'll type /root/desktop and then the new name after the name of the symbolic link or the shortcut. For example, I will name it public-shortcut, and I'll press enter. And as you see, it has appeared over here, public-shortcut, the symbolic link. And if you click on it, it will open the directory for you, but of course the directory is empty, so you won't find anything, and it's under the home, as you can see over here. Alright, now I'll get back to the desktop directory one more time. I'll type cd, then desktop, and enter, and then ls-l. Okay, now, so because these are just shortcuts for the original files, so when you make a change in the name of the original file or directory, then the shortcut will not be able to see it, because it's just a pointer to the original file. So let's have a look at that. I'll change the name of the file torque.txt by the mv command. I'll type mv/root/torque.txt and then /root/torque.old. So by this I am telling it to change for me the name of the file torque.txt, which is under /root, to the name torque.old under /root also. And I'll press enter. Okay, now I'll type ls-l and enter. And as you can see here, the shortcut turned to red and was highlighted. And this indicates that it can't see the file. If you click here on the shortcut file, the torque-shortcut file, if you click on it, as you can see, it will display an error message. It's telling me it could not display torque.txt. Right now I'll clear the page. Alright, now I will change the name back to its original state. I'll type mv/root/torque.old and change it back to the original name, which is torque.txt, and press enter. And now ls-l, and you can see that the shortcut is now working again normally, because now it can see the file that it is pointing on. Alright, now let's see how to remove a shortcut or a symbolic link. To remove a symbolic link, you will type the command unlink and then the name of the symbolic link or the shortcut, torque-shortcut, and enter. As you can see now, it has been removed from here. And if you type ls-l, of course you won't find it. And let's also remove this one over here. I'll type the same command, unlink, and then I will type the name of the symbolic link, public-shortcut, and enter. And as you can see also, it has been removed from the desktop over here. And by this lesson we have seen how to make a symbolic link. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.